Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. So in today's video, I'm going to be doing my Partners in Cream project pan finale. I do have 5 products to share with you guys how I did with them. If you'd like to know how I'm finishing off this finale, definitely continue watching. Also, if you're not yet subscribed, please subscribe. And let's just go ahead and jump right in. So this project was created by Delin from Outward Processing as well as Steph Lyons. I'll link both of their channels down below, as well as there is a playlist where everybody that's doing this project will be linked. So definitely check the description box so you can go ahead and check them out. Again, this is the Partners in Cream. So this was only cream or liquid products, no powder products. That was pretty much the only rule. I think it was 3 to 6 products as well. So I am going to start off with 2 empties. This one I did roll it in last month. This is the Rare Beauty Dewy Lip Balm in the shade Thankful, and it is all done. It's all the way up. I will definitely put a picture of what it looked like when I first put it in. Again, I rolled it in last update, and I use this as a lip balm and as well as a cream blush, and I really enjoyed it. I did think it was pretty hydrating, but not like overly hydrating or anything like that. So it was nice. Would I repurchase it? Probably not, but it was nice to try out and finish off. I also did finish off my other Rare Beauty product. This is a cream blush in the shade Bliss. I ended up putting it this way in my acrylic makeup case just so I can try to use every single bit of it off, and I even cleaned this off and the next day nothing came down, so I am done with it. I'm sure there's product on the sides. I never took the stopper out. I'm okay, like I'm good. So I finished this off as well. I sometimes used it alone, sometimes in the last month I mixed both of them together, so I was trying to get some uses out of it. I do have the counter app. Let me get the counter app. I always forget about the counter app. Let's see. Counter app. So, oh, there's an ad, so I need to hold. Okay. The Rare Beauty Lip Balm, you guys, I used it 29 times. I used it 29 times and then I finished it. So it was either on my lips or as a cream blush. And then the Rare Beauty blush from the last update, I used it 13 additional times. I definitely got a ton of use out of this. I don't know like the total usage unless I went back and like added everything, but nobody's got time for that. So I did use it 13 times since the last update, but 29 times to use the balm. Wow, I used it quite a bit, right? Okay, so next up, one that I did pretty well on as well is my Cover FX Blurring Primer. There is still product on the sides, and this one I did use 16 times since the last update. I actually really enjoy this primer. I use it in my T-zone usually, and it does really good job for pores, so I would definitely repurchase this and recommend it. I do think that it has... Mostly the product is just on the sidewalls of the product. I'm definitely going to keep this in my everyday makeup drawer and keep using this till the end of the year. I can see through it and there's just product, like I can move it. So definitely almost done with this, but there's still product coming out, so I'm not quite done. So again, 16 times and I really like it. So, and I would repurchase it, so that's good, right? So I'm still going to be working on that again. The last 2 things, okay, I don't know what's worse, using it once or using it 0 times. So this Pop Beauty liner, I used it 1 time since the last update, and my goal was to finish it off and I just did not. So I'm not really a lip liner wearer. Yes, I could use it as my lipstick, but I never did. So I only used it once. I'm not really interested in using up lip liners. I don't really purchase lip liners, and I've decluttered like half of what I did have. I'm sure I have less than 10 lip liners in my collection. I only used it 1 time, so I'm glad this is the finale. And then lastly, I didn't use this at all. Again, another product that I'm just not interested in doing myself. I'd rather pay at the salon to get a mask done. I'm like so lazy. Like I don't wash my hair. Maybe I wash it once or twice a week, and then when I am gonna wash it, I'm not thinking like, oh, let me mask it before I wash it. Like I don't got time for a mask. So yeah, I still have this. Again, I do want my daughter to use it, but in order for her to use it, I need to apply it to her hair. I definitely want to finish this off because it's kind of pricey, but overall, I did get some use out of it because when I put it in here, it was new and now it's halfway. So at least I got some use out of it putting it in this project, but from the last update, I didn't use it at all. So that is my finale. Those are all the products. I did finish 2 in this round anyways, and from the last update I did finish 2 products. I've definitely been using up other products in this project as well from previous updates, but at least I finished 2 for this update. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Are you doing any project pans? Definitely check out all the ladies that are doing this project. Again, they will be in the description box in the link. Definitely check all of them out. Again, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, please give it a thumbs up. Please subscribe if you haven't already, and I will see you all in my next video. Bye!